This is our weekend project for the Monte Carlo and for the Firebird that's on the videos. This is Junior's 354 bolt main block, which is going in. There's my 4-bolt main down there. There's a spare in the background. Gaskets. Oh, by the way, there's Junior's underglow kit for his Sunfire. These are our aluminum intakes. I think Junior's going to use the old one off the Monte though. This is my air gap intake, Edelbrock. These are a spare set of aluminum Brodax heads with 202 valves, 1.6 exhaust. These are the roller rockers for the Firebird. These are the Pontiac small block Chevy heads that we're going to use. These are NASCAR heads on the Monte Carlo. These are a set of X heads that are going to put on Junior's motor. They've all been ported and polished, and they're going to have these roller rockers here. These are just a set of spare pistons. We're not sure what we're going to do with them yet, but they're going to go in something. Have a little bit of a dome to them. These are the pistons we're going to put in Junior's motor. They're pink rods. Everything's been balanced and blueprinted. Got quite a dome on them as well. These are the pistons that are going to go in the Monte motor. Same thing, balanced and blueprinted. Just a slight dome though, because I've got closed chamber heads. Oil pump, stuff like that. This is our ignition systems, Mallory. Comp cams, valve springs, push rods, lifters. Here's my crank. It's stamped here. It says Senior cast crank, and you can tell it's got the thin line on it. Here's Junior's crank for his motor, steel crank, forged crank, and you can tell that by the thick casting line down it, and you can tell by the difference in color. Here's our camshaft selection. We just put a cam in Junior's Camaro. These are comp cams, 280 megas, and this is our spare cams. Here's a set of spare pistons we had just kicking around. Our balancers that have actually been balanced and blueprinted. More comp cam stuff. This is a bit of our wall, just the kind of stuff we like. And this should be in our cars within a couple weeks. Here's my headers up on the wall, by the way. I forgot about this. This is the headers we're going to use on the Monte. And these are the full race headers that we're going to put on the Firebird for Junior's motor. And there's just some of our tires and stuff, and just a little bit of a view here. I'll flip over one of the Pontiac small block Chevy heads and just let you see the valves that are in it. And watch those rockers don't fall off. I'll just come from underneath here, and these are 2.12 intakes and 1.6 exhaust. These heads are all shaved or professionally ported and polished by Trick Headwork. And that's about that.